Jake from Gettysburg Guns. Today I'm going to show you guys how to pack and ship a handgun. Alright, so step one, this is, again, I'm going to touch base here. We're shipping a handgun. It's going to a dealer in another state so that the customer from gun broker can do the background check in their respective state. So step one here, right, we're going to take our inventory tag and we're actually going to staple it to our invoice copy. Alright, and then from there, just set that out of the way. That's all we do with that. Customer's copy, we're going to take a copy of our FFL and we attach it to the invoice. Just like so. And then that just gets set off to the side for now. So for the actual handgun here, right, we're going to take some bubble wrap. All I'm going to do, just go ahead and set it in here. I'm going to give it a whole bunch of rolls, whole bunch of wraps, protect that thing, make sure the barrel's not going to come out, make sure the grips aren't going to get caught in the corner, anything funky like that. Roll it over a few times. Actually there, I'm just going to go ahead and pause. Then flip it to the other side and rework it back over like so. It's going to be more than enough bubble wrap on that one. Take a little piece of tape. Run that piece of tape around. Secure everything. So from there, we're going to check our fitment into our box. I already pre-selected a box. Alright, we got some gap in here to take up. So I'm going to get a little smidge of peanuts. That's what we use for packing material. Just a little layer of peanuts on the bottom. Put that down in there. I'm going to take the remainder of our bubble wrap that we had. Just going to take up the remaining void in that box. Alright, from there, take the customer's invoice, fold it in half, place it in the box, and then apply one piece of tape. There's a little barcode here. I try to keep all the barcodes that are not ours from our labels and cover them up so there's no possible mistakes during shipping. Just cover that up, take care of that little void there, and then take the box down. Alright, now that that's complete, we're going to take our invoice. I'm going to measure this box. 966. We'll use that information then to apply that to our label creator software system. And once we plug all that information in, it generates the label. Put that label on the outside of the box, take it to the shipping depot, and out the door it'll be. Thanks for tuning in. That's how to pack and ship a handgun to another FFL in a different state.